Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while since the latest update of the No Nonsense Forex Trade Assistant has been out on the internet, and we have another beta release ready to go right now. This is quite exciting. A lot of people have been waiting for this one. It basically has trailing stops built into it, as well as the ability to use the Trade Assistant on the MT4 strategy tester, which means you can actually start a strategy tester and advance candle by candle, click the buy sell buttons. It will do all your lot sizing calculations, as well as your trailing stops. It'll collate all that into a standard strategy tester report at the end, so you can see your profit and loss and basically everything that a strategy test will show you, except you're manually trading it with the No Nonsense Forex Trade Assistant. So this is a pretty cool update. I will give you a bit of a rundown on it. It's pretty simple. So we'll start the strategy tester up, and we'll fire it up here. I'll just make it full screen. Now I have cherry picked this chart because I want to actually show you it working and not try and guess where there's going to be a trend or not. So bear with me with that. So what we're going to do here is advance through the charts one by one, candle by candle. So here we've got a candle crossing my baseline. So I will buy here, and then on the next candle you'll see it's entered the trade. It's got our take profit and our stop loss here. If we have a look, it shows us the two trades have been entered. One trade has a take profit, the second trade does not. That is the standard No Nonsense Forex method. So if we advance candle by candle, you can see already we had a pop up on this candle and pull back. It hit our take profit, which is great. That's what we want. And you can also see that the stop loss has moved up here to just past break even, which is where I've got the settings on that. If we look at the results again, you can see it has closed that one trade in profit, and the second trade is still open. It's modified the order, which is essentially what it does when it moves that stop loss for us. So let's advance candle by candle now and have a look and see what happens. So what we want to do is watch our stop loss here, because that is going to act as our trailing stop, and that should move as the candle goes higher. Yep, you can see it's bumped it up again there. And again, it's moving with this trend. As the trend moves, this trailing stop is staying 1.5 times the ATR away from our current price. Now, I am on the hourly chart. I know that's not the No Nonsense Forex way, but I needed a chart that I could easily show you, demonstrate to you what's going on here. So as we move forward a bit more, you can see it keeps moving. No problem. And boom, massive candle, and you can see the stop loss pushed all the way up there. Eventually this is going to pull back, no doubt, which it did there, and our trailing stop got taken out there. So if we have a look at the results, you can see how many times that stop loss was modified by the EA. Basically every time it moved that stop loss, it does a modification order, and then this trade exited in profit. So if we stop this here and have a look at the report, just gives us the basic information. Two trades. Yeah, I mean, you guys know how that works. You can play around with that. So that is the trailing stops portion of the video. I'll close that, and I'll just give you a quick rundown on some live changes that have also happened. So if we look at if we enter a trade here, let's just say that's a sell. Doesn't matter what it is, it's a random entry to give you an example. We've also modified these comments. So now the comments will show you the symbol, it'll show you the time frame, it'll tell you the direction you've placed your trade, whether it's a buy or a sell, and whether it's trade 1 or trade 2. We had a suggestion that that people would like to change the comments. The way the expert advisor works, it references these comments for the positions that it's in and managing those positions, so we couldn't allow custom entry for that, but this will definitely help you in keeping an eye on your trade. So if we jump over here to different chart, different time frame, we sell, bang. So now you can see here AUD USD, it's on a daily, we're selling here as well, so it shows you that it'll change the time frame as you go, which is, that's a pretty handy addition to everything else. So the Trade Assistant 7.01 beta, that is going to be available for 2 weeks whilst we finish off sort of public beta testing portion of the testing. We have done some fairly rigorous testing for the whole thing. Pretty sure you're not going to have any trouble with it, but just keep in mind it certainly is in beta test mode here. So that will be available for you pretty much. So if we have a look here, at the moment that hasn't been working, but if I just do a quick update on the other screen and then refresh us here, we should be able to refresh, and then bang, whoops, wrong button there, let me get rid of that one. So if we update this, there we are. So this is now available to download. Grab it and away it goes. It'll download your file, load it up onto your NT4 as per usual, and guys, go get it. Let me know your comments and feedback, as well as keep an eye on the page here. We have got plans for some more updates coming very soon. If you can spare a few bucks, definitely drop a donation. We're not sitting on anything at the moment. Everything's paid up. There's no outstanding money, which is great. But it's going to be good to keep developing the tool and just let's make it better and better. So that's it for now, and I will catch you guys next time.